Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to share a very good story with you. And before any further ado, let's start it. Guys, the title of that interesting story is A Greedy Doctor and the Villagers. Once upon a time, there was a small village named by Siri, and in that village, the people were very smart and but very simple. And one day, a new doctor came to their village and said, I will treat you here and I will serve for you. He was very greedy and his name was Neem Hakim. And he always used to think how I can earn money a lot. And then he was so greedy of earning money. And then he went to a man in the village and said for a small place for his clinic. And then that man said, yes, I have a house, and the cost of the house is 5,000 rupees. Then the doctor shocked and said, no, no, I don't want a clinic or rent. I came here to want it by free. And can you give it? Then that man said, okay, I will give you. And that house is even empty. And then the doctor became very happy and then went to that place and that house, and then he put a lot of fake certificates of being a doctor on the wall, and he was not a real doctor, he was a simple man. He came to the village for money without being a doctor. He put a lot of fake certificate on the wall and decorated his clinic very lavishly. And at a night, two people came on the clinic and said, I have very I have cough and fever. I want a good medicine from you. And then the doctor gave him some medicine and said, it is not a small cough, it is a very serious cough, and it can be very dangerous for your life. And the cost of that medicine is 2,000 rupees. And then the man said, okay. And then the man paid the money and went to his home. And coincidentally, he became well and he recovered. And then he shouted in the village and said, this doctor is so good. I have removed my cough with eating these medicines. It is so good. You should also go to this doctor for treatment. And then the all villagers became very satisfied and started to go the doctor. And then the doctor earned a lot of money, but there was a small problem that the doctor was from a big city and he didn't understand the language properly of the villages, like pone do dare die like these, and he could not understand these words. And this was the problem. And then one day a woman went to the doctor with his father and said, my father is ill and he has cough and headache, please give some good medicine for my father. And then the doctor gave him the medicine and said, your the price of this medicine is 2,050 rupees. Then the girl said, did so, did so. Then the uh, did 100. Then the doctor became confused and thought, what is did so? Then the doctor said, okay, you can give. And then the girl gave him 150 rupees. The doctor said, no, no, I want 250 rupees, I want my proper money. And then the girl said, no, no, I will not give you proper money because you said 150 rupees and I am going now. If you will cheat with me, I will also cheat with you and I will not give you any money more. And that's it, I'm going. Then the doctor said, oh, agreed, and then said okay. And next day the doctor became very angry and started to give the expired tablets to the people. And then a boy and his father came to the doctor and said that my father has a big headache and please give some medicines to my father. And then the doctor gave him expired medicines. And then after a day, his young boy came to the doctor and said, what did you do? My father has died now. After eating your medicine, you gave my father expired medicine. And now I am going to report in police. If you will not run here, I will report you and I am going to kill you. that you gave my father that expired tablet, and now I will report you in the police. Then the doctor became very and very scared, and he said, okay, I'm going. And then the doctor picked his suitcase and ran away. In the way, the people of villagers were making fun of the doctor and said, oh doctor, please give me some medicine, I have headache and pain in my stomach. And then the doctor ran away. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And guys, the title of that interesting story is We Discuss.